ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 17th day of October. Little rain out there this morning in spots. Nice cool change for the weekend. Let's go right to the Skycam images this morning. And, yep, little rain on the lens at the Coleman Skycam. Rainfall amounts have been very light overnight as expected, and again, most spots are going to wind up with a quarter inch or less, and some spots with barely enough to measure. That's the Skycam down in Meridian, Mississippi, and you can see some light rain falling there. And in downtown Birmingham, low clouds over the city, a little drizzle in spots, but again, this is certainly not going to be a big rain event. Here's the water vapor satellite image this morning, and you can see the moisture in place across the southeastern states, but not that far away. It's drier, and that drier air will work in here tonight, and of course the air noticeably cooler as well. There's the radar this morning, and it's kind of hard to see with all of the ground returned, but there is some light rain stretched out across central Alabama, roughly along Interstate 59 and 20. So some folks will have some rain as they drive into work this morning, but that should be over by midday today. The expected rain around the country for the next 5 days, suggesting a quarter to a half inch on this graphic, but again, I think a quarter inch or less is more appropriate. And this is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. And after today, will be dry. And yeah, check out that cool air coming in. Behind the front, you can see temperatures in the 40s. Well, down into Arkansas this morning. And we will be in the 40s tomorrow and Sunday morning. And that's going to feel good for the fall weather fans. And quickly in the tropics, Omar moving northeast, now a tropical storm. That will pass well to the east of Bermuda. And one little suspect area kind of in the low latitudes down there. That's going to be hugging the coast of South America. No sign of any organization at this point. And the remnants of Tropical Depression 16 are over Central America. Well, here's the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. About 18,000 feet off the ground. This is the 500 millibar level, and you can see shortwave energy diving down the Midwest. That'll help to sharpen up an eastern U.S. trough this weekend and pull down the cool air. Down below that, there's our surface front, and most of the showers by midday today should be south of Birmingham. Down into South Alabama is cool, dry air takes over. We'll be in the 60s all day today. Tomorrow, nice cool air advection. The high only around 70. Nice breeze out of the north-northeast. Should see a beautifully blue sky with just wonderful, wonderful weather for football games. Sunday, early in the morning, we'll be down in the middle 40s. The high should be in the low 70s. Again, a model autumn day. Monday of next week looks wonderful. Tuesday, the weather stays dry. And Wednesday of next week, midweek, will stay dry, but we note the storm developing on the lee of the Rockies out there over the high plains. And we'll go to Thursday, and there's a whopper of an upper low, and a lot of model madness out here and exactly how that thing evolves and where it's located. This run has the upper low near Omaha, Nebraska, and accordingly, the main band of rain still a little off to the west on Thursday. For now, we've got the better chance of rain Thursday, but we're not going to change it based on this run. We'll go to Friday, and we note something brewing down there in the southeastern Gulf. And the upper-level feature is still north of us, pulling in moisture, so this run looks wet on Friday. And then we'll go to Saturday the 25th, and there's still moisture around, and we note that disturbance in the Gulf kind of chugs up this way. And then Sunday the 26th, we got a big, deep trough developing back off to the west, and underneath that, some type of tropical low pulls up toward New Orleans, and if that's right, that could be pretty wet. Now, most runs prior to this showed a totally dry weekend, so it's pure model madness, so the confidence in this is very small. And we'll go to the 27th, and goodness gracious, this is Monday, October 27th, a whopper of a trough developing. The axis just west of here. That tropical low is pulled north up into Kentucky, and just a deep plume of moisture. And look at the 28th. Very deep cold core upper low just northwest of here. How about the 540 thickness values dropping down into Birmingham? And that's not necessarily cold air below, it's cold air aloft, but That's crazy looking, and again, don't be shocked if that's gone in the next run. Is it possible? Sure, but this is pure voodoo out here. In the end of the cycle, this is the first day of November. Westerlies are active, fairly southwest flow there in that case, and that kind of keeps the cool air to the north. But again, if we're having a hard time resolving the weather 7 days in advance, you can forget a specific solution that far in advance. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.